Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be back on the Foxbody again. I'm going to try to get this door looking a little bit better. It's real faded here and real rusted, and this window channel here is all busted up, as you can see. Been needing to be replaced for quite some time. I've just not got around to it. So I'm going to try to work on some of that today. So let's get to it. Okay, to get your door panel off, you have a screw on the back side of your armrest. You have two bolts here. These were 10 millimeter. You have a screw in your door handle. You have a screw for this little piece that's up here at the top. You got a screw down here at the bottom at your speaker. Get all those screws out and you can start lifting upward, and you can get your armrest off. Then you want to start unplugging. Take a plastic tool, start going around your door panel. I usually start at the bottom. Pop those plastic clips. Once you feel your door panels loose, just pick up on it. On this piece right here, this outside trim, you've got a screw right under your door here on the corner. You just need to take that screw out and you should be able to pull this back. And you can release it off the door. Once you do that, you're able to get the mirror out. You have two studs in here, one up top and one down here at the bottom. Mine were 9 millimeter. If you have power mirrors, all you gotta do is release your door skin here, pull it down, and you're gonna have this plastic that comes through this hole. All I did was took interior tool, I got in between it and I pried it away out of that hole. Once you do that and unplug your mirror, now you should be able to grab the mirror and work it out. Now I have to try to get this run channel molding out. This is probably going to be pretty rough. This stuff is going to be crumbly. Should just be able to pry it out. It's going to come out in pieces. It's really bad shape. It's just going to crumble. As you can see, it just crumbled all to pieces. And getting that out of that channel, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you, it ain't fun. It's not fun at all to try to get it out the front up here. It goes way down into the front. It goes down about that far, about 2 or 3 inches in the back. So this part's it wasn't that hard for me. I struggled to get this top part out, and especially down in there. You can see the channel right there. So that would stick out just a little bit. So I took a straight screwdriver and I would slide it in and kind of puncture it. And I would pry and try to slide it up this channel. And then I would get 2 or 3 inches off. Then I'd go back down here and I'd go between the door handle, puncture into it, and then just try to keep moving it up like that and keep sliding it up to where I could reach it. So all that's out now. So I'm gonna get some cleaner. I'm going to clean up this door panel, or this door in the top here, and I'm going to try to go ahead and paint it. I'm gonna have to scuff this up, sand it some, clean all this. So let me clean this up and we'll get ready to paint. I've got it masked off for the most part. We'll hang the plastic here in a few minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take an SOS pad. I'm gonna try to clean it up. If I can't clean it up good enough, I may hit some of this rust here that's trying to start to discolor. I may hit it with some sandpaper to smooth it out. I'm gonna use some wax and grease remover. Got it all sanded. Gonna pour it on a rag. Going with black Sims paint. Just gonna do a light coat, first coat. I'm gonna let that cure, and then we'll put another coat, okay? Let's go for a second coat. Third and final coat. What I have to do here is I have to get that rubber back in. So I'm going to lubricate some in here to try to make it go easier. And if we can get this in, then I can go ahead and put this piece back on and get my door panel back on. Let's get to it. So I'm gonna start here on this side, and I'm gonna try to feed it down some. So I want to show you this up close. You have this channel here, and you've got this outside rubber lip, and it has to slide up on here, so you have to kind of fold it. You can see how this opens up. You've got to get that rubber lip down through here. When you fold it, it has to slide up on this door. And you got the same thing over here on this side. You've got this rubber lip that's open. So when you grab it and you fold it like this, that rubber lip has to open up and has to go over this channel here just a little bit. Well, I'm not gonna lie, that was very aggravating. I did not enjoy that whatsoever, not even a little. I thought I could possibly get this done fairly quick. It's took about all evening. I'm gonna have to pick up on this tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get as much done as I can, but it's getting so dark, it's gonna be hard to film. Pretty much, once you get this run channel in, you just go back as we took it apart earlier, the door panel and putting the mirror back on, and then we'll slide this piece in and put the screw in the back of the door. But outside of that, that's pretty much how it goes. I'll show you tomorrow the end result and what it looks like. So here's the door, completely done. It looks so much better. Quarter window trim looks better. This trim looks so much better. Run channel looks really good. All right, guys, that's gonna conclude this video. I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.